What's up, guys? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to the Daily Grind Trader. And today, I don't like it, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to be talking about Dogecoin and giving an unbiased and fair technical analysis and price prediction on Dogecoin. So, if you got stuck, if you bought in too late, if you bought in at 6, 7, 8 cents, and you're wondering if it's all over for you, if you just got to take your losses, stay tuned. We'll find out.
So you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah!
Alright, guys, I'm going to hop right into it. I had to take my own biases out of this because I am not a fan of Dogecoin. I don't like the whole meme coin thing, the Wall Street bets pump, everything that happened with this coin, I am not a fan of. But with that being said, it is a coin that has a value. It has a technical analysis to be done on it. And I know a handful of people who have bought into it and would like to know where they stand. They want to know, is there an opportunity still for growth, or was it just a pump and dump meme? So I'm going to get into it. Alright, guys, as you can see here on the chart, the price for this Fibonacci extension started at literally less than 1 cent, 0.0067 cents is the start, up to 8.81 cents. And then it retraced way down. It cracked the 78.6 line almost immediately. And then it pumped right back up and almost hit the high again before now finding a home around the 50% line. And this thing acted as support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times support before finally kind of cracking above the 38.2 line. Now this only stayed above it for 2 candles, then it sold back below, came above again, and you guys can see the chart for yourself. I don't need to do a play-by-play by every candlestick I go across, and I got to get better at not doing that. But you can see it acted as a support and is now a resistance again because it is now dropped below it. We have to zoom in so you can kind of see this because it has been trading so sideways that it's actually hard to see all the candle differences or lack thereof differences in these candles. Alright, so I'm zoomed way in and you can see we've been pretty much in this range for most of the time. We broke out briefly, but we've been in a range which could have allowed for some decent range trading if you could buy in anytime it got around 4.75, 4.7. Really nice if you can hit the wicks, 4.25, and then trade up at the 5.7 line. Would have been a handful of opportunities. Well, really wasn't enough opportunities. It hasn't been in this range long enough to really trade it. There may have been an opportunity or two, but not enough to really make this a tradable range over and over again. But when I'm looking at yellow line, 7-day moving average, red line, 25-day moving average, purple line, 50-day moving average. This has actually done something very similar to Band. And Band is my new baby. Band has made me look smarter than I am because it blew up today, 22% of the day as I'm making this video, hovering right around 17 cents, or excuse me, I'm talking in cents now because I'm talking about Doge, hovering right around $17, up from 14 and some change when I made the initial video saying this thing is getting ready to boom, and it still has a long way to go. Let me get off of that tangent. Band was awesome. But this morning start here, as the 7-day crossed under the 50 and the 25, made a morning star pattern. And this showed that the little bit of sell pressure that was there on the MACD was had hit its apex, had hit its peak, and now it's coming back down. By coming down off the sell pressure and hitting an equilibrium, and should be buying pressure coming up. Now, with that being said, it needs volume. We need substantial volume to push this to hit a histogram that looks like this type of level of rise. I don't know that is possible, but all the indicators would show that it's primed to do so if the volume is there. This 7-day making this little curve here, it's showing that it's ready to run up. The 25-day and 50-day could easily flip, or the 25-day has already gone back over, and the 7-day can rise quick. The 7-day can rise within the next 2 days. It could be, on its way up above the 25 and the 50. The RSI is right around the middle. I mean, it's 48, so it's not overly weak. It's not strong. It's not overbought. It's not oversold. It's right around the middle of the pack. And these, based on the last video I made, we know that the super tight consolidations on the MACD, when there's almost no difference, it stays very close to equilibrium, a breakout is imminent. With a breakout being imminent and the consolidation looking like a bullish pattern, looking like it should break up, I've got to be honest, I don't like saying this, but get ready to test and break this 5.7 cents and really start pushing 689. We're going to start pushing the level, the 23.6 level. If it can hold steam and break this level, we're looking at a legitimate real Fibonacci extension. If it breaks through 6.89, 10 or 11 cents is not out of the question. To really hit a full Fibonacci extension, or to hit a full Fibonacci extension is not out of the question. All right, guys. I've been looking day to day to find coins where I'm seeing the patterns, where I'm seeing a high percentage, a high probability call to make, and there's been a lot of volatility recently, and I've been struggling a little bit to find ones that I really like. IOTA, KNC, and BAND were the last 3 calls that I made, and honestly, all 3 of them have netted me, as of making this video, about 19% profit. So not bad for the course of a week to have 3 separate assets netting close to 20% profit. I'm beyond happy with that. There's still more to go. I'm looking for about 30 to 35% before I sell. But, looking for coins that have the breakout potential, that are kind of ready to run. I came across Doge. I really didn't want to do this, but, I have to be fair. I have to be honest. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But honestly, I think we're looking either A, this trend does not turn up, we fall, and we sit on this support line at 4.7 cents before eventually falling to a downtrend, or this trend does come true. We test the resistance here at 5.7. We keep the volume high enough, and then we test 689. If we break 689, then we are on a full-fledged Fibonacci extension where we are looking at a legitimate 10 to 11 cent Dogecoin. Guys, I can't tell you how much I appreciate the amount of views, the conversation, the interaction. Please, ask questions, make comments, let me know what you think. Be honest with me. I am not above making adjustments, not above anything that you guys can ask for. I am new I am hopeful. I'm hungry. I'm making new videos. We're trying to make new videos every day. Next week's going to be rough. Being honest with you, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, my father-in-law is going to be staying at my house. Thursday, Friday, my brother is coming into town to stay at my house. I may not make a video next week, so I want to put it out there super early to let people know the channel is not dead. I haven't given up. I'm not forgetting about making videos. But family comes first, and when you haven't seen family in over a year because of a virus, it's been over 3 years since I've seen my brother, and it's been over a year since my father-in-law's been able to visit. So yeah, with that being said, family comes first, mental health comes first, and being able to enjoy some quality time with loved ones comes first. So I do apologize, guys. There will likely be a small hiatus from the channel for about a week, but I will be back, and I will be back with fresh content. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Every new subscriber helps keep me motivated. The likes help keep me motivated, and the comments, especially the comments, keep them coming. I appreciate every one of you guys. Until next time, peace.